Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a private VIP Discord server setup in 2026. So if you want an exclusive community with paid access, private channels, and premium members only, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, decide what your VIP server will offer. So it can be premium content, exclusive chats, trading signals, study resources, or private coaching. Next, organize your server properly. I mean create channels like welcome, announcements, VIP chat, resources, and support. So yeah, create a VIP role and restrict all premium channels to that role only. This ensures only paid or approved members can enter. Now set up your entry system. You can use manual approval or payment systems like subscription platforms or membership tools. So yeah, post exclusive content only for VIP members. This can include tips, signals, downloads, or private updates. Next, use a verification channel so new members can be checked before getting access. This helps maintain security and quality. So yeah, use bots to assign roles automatically after payment or verification. Automation saves time and keeps things organized. Now keep VIP members active with private events, Q&A sessions, and exclusive discussions. Engagement increases value perception. Finally, always provide real value. So if your VIP content feels useful and exclusive, members will stay longer and even recommend others. And that's how to create a private VIP Discord server setup in 2026. Once you combine exclusivity, automation, and real value, your VIP community can become very powerful. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Discord tutorials.